Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today we're gonna do something very different. We're going for a little adventure. I just happens to know more YouTubers here in Portugal than I do back home, which is really, well, it's kind of odd, but there isn't a lot of YouTubers that does the same thing as I do back in Denmark. So down here there's a lot of YouTubers that has moved to Portugal and started YouTube channels. So today we're gonna start by going and picking up Elaine, and I have met her before. Pensioners in Portugal, PIP, and we're gonna go and visit some other YouTubers. So I better get going because I'm already getting to be late and I don't like that. So yeah, we are taking the little Fiat, the Fiat 500 hybrid, and this one is it came pre-scratched all over the place, so I hope the insurance or the rental company is not gonna find any more than they already did. So yeah, going. Okay, I have arrived at Elaine and Derek's place, and Derek is not here.
Darren's not here,
Darren,
no.
Yeah.
Darren
So
is
why has Darren left Elaine? You'll have to go and watch their channel. What's the conspiracy here? Is there another job? What is he up to? Where is Max? What does Max do? Well,
Max is having a lot of fun.
Yeah. Elaine is here alone because Darren is
Working in the UK.
has given up his pension and is working in the UK to sort out some
Yep, we
roofing.
just needed some money basically to pay for jobs on our house in the UK. So
yeah, and this I have been here before and videoing you guys.
yep.
So but that's their tiny little house here. It's just it's about this big.
It is.
And their troublesome car, which is in the moment
Is spot on at the moment.
spot on at the moment. So, and you have a piece of land. I've been watching your videos trying to get that under control again after being here.
Absolutely, yes. So all the time I've been back, when we left it was January, so everything was calm and clear.
I know exactly what you mean.
Yep, got back in April and everything was like thigh or knee high. So
Yeah.
I've been working around the garden house, trying to get that cleared because that's the most important, and get my garden back productive. So that's what I'm doing.
I'm a little bit late. I was like 2 minutes late here. That was because the battery of my streamer didn't give up fast enough. So it kept going and going and going. So I had to
Keep working.
I had to keep going until it was out of battery, and then I could get on going to this tractor.
Carlos.
So we better get going. I better SMS and warn the next YouTuber that we're going to be bothering, so that they know that we're coming. So
Yep.
on the road again.
Yep, grab my stuff.
So the little car has parked and we are visiting. Well, I see Leah. I haven't seen Martin down here, but they are old-time YouTubers. They were one of the first that started filming here.
Hello.
So,
Hello.
yeah, let's go say hi.
Oh.
And the welcoming committee has already arrived. So hi, Louis. Okay, we visited Martin and Leah, and well, they weren't in the mood for being filmed today. So, but we come bearing gifts. We got some of their homemade wine.
Yep.
I was actually here to pick up some olive oil that I had I've ordered from their online shop about half a year ago, and it has been sitting here because I thought it would be more fun to go and pick it up than just have it shipped. So yeah, we're going to the next YouTubers, which we do have more of an appointment with. So we're visiting some other famous YouTuber. I'm here with G and Nila. And they used to have the channel Casa Creative, and now they changed it just to mess it up for everybody else.
Yes, you can't find us anymore.
Yeah, it's impossible.
No, now we are living in Portugal.
Living in Portugal.
And we are living in Portugal.
And we just arrived at the welcoming committee is over here. So if you never see us again, that was what happened.
The dog is gonna eat you.
So,
No, he's very old and He doesn't do a thing.
I've been looking forward to looking at that stonework that you've done on the wall.
You want to do it on your house?
Don't know. I might not have enough hot glue.
It's a lot of work. And I mentioned if I have to ground it, it will be even more.
Oh, ground, yeah. Okay.
Indeed, good job.
I still have to do the sprouting, so in by hand.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while, so that's incredible that sticks to that.
Nice, huh?
Yeah?
An old female, I didn't pay anything for it. It is a lot of work to collect it.
That's some different stuff, right? That's different color.
The glue, yeah.
Okay. I like tiling adhesive a lot.
I think the glue was better though. I'm not sure what the difference is. It also depends where you buy it. At Sofa Gems or Leroy, it's a big difference.
But it's incredible what this does to a building. Like, it was just a white wall before, and now it looks like
nice, huh?
looks 300-400 years old.
Now the stones that we have there, the color stones, we want to make it on the floor later. But
Okay.
that's a lot of work. I need a few Portuguese people for that, I think.
Well, I see you do a lot of work on your channel. Like, I'm amazed sometimes.
Yeah,
Is the
I'm
pool-
getting tired sometimes.
Is the pool open?
Almost.
So now we're gonna go and see their new bathroom that
My first bathroom, actually.
Geert. How do you
Gert.
Geert.
Gert.
Yeah, in Danish you're Geert,
Gert.
just so you know it.
Yeah,
But
I Gert better, I think.
well, we're gonna see this bathroom that Geert. It's impossible, Dutch people.
Even English and Portuguese people, they can't really speak it. That's how they stumble on the small stuff. And come
So this is the project. Wow, that's a lot of stones.
I was working this morning on the
Oh, so a bit
shower area.
of a spoiler before everyone else sees.
Yeah. I still have to clean it, but the only thing I have to do for the walls is the facets of the wall. And then
Yeah.
the walls are done. Then I have to clean everything and grout it.
Yeah, the grouting is a big deal.
Yeah, especially cleaning.
And these tiles looks rough. Oh, they actually aren't.
They are pretty. The other one, the floor tiles are pretty rough.
cool.
Okay.
Nice, yeah.
It's really hard to find stone that match each other, especially in Portugal. It's
And
not nice.
LED lighting in the shelving here.
And we have one more.
We call them Mr. and Mrs. Overkill. Oh yeah, he's just showing off now. Oh,
Probably never use it, but it's just fun.
but it looks cool.
It
Looks
has to go
cool.
in.
So we're getting the sightseeing tour of their garden here, and they have multiple projects going on at the same time, which has been, I can't say that, has been showing.
Next project.
Yeah,
This needs to be finished in August.
It was the chicken coop. Was.
Yes.
So now it's going to be a seating area. I believe that I was informed in a message. Yeah.
Gonna collect the tiles this afternoon, I think.
With an outside kitchen area.
The door will go, there will become a small wall there at the door, so everything stays dry, and maybe even a wall on this side, so the kitchen stays dry if it rains.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna fill this up with stones. And not everything, but it will be stone, it will be bark.
What is it? Bark?
The bark.
Wood chips.
Wood chips, yes.
Okay.
But I have to fill it up with sand, it's about 40 cubic meters. So I'm driving that up and down, I'm making a pond in the back.
Oh, and it's
And I'm
not
digging it behind.
not enjoyable at all with. Oh, it's probably not that. You have a tractor as well. Yeah.
It's
okay.
almost done. I need a new tractor, I think. I don't have money for a new tractor though.
I am negotiating with myself if I need a tractor.
Oh, it's
They're expensive. Oh, and they have a pool. And here I come from far, far away, and it's dry. I want a pool like that. Oh, and Kret has solar panels down here, and he has destroyed one already. I think I see the one. Yeah. No, yeah. Is that destroyed or just dirty?
No, it's really broken. Glass is broken.
Oh.
It does still work. I'm not sure how much loss I have on it, but
Now, usually you lose a little bit, but it could still be okay.
yeah. I think in peak I do around 2700 watts. But I never use I never pull on it because I don't deliver to the grid. So.
Tractor with thinkies.
Almost there. Yeah, it's almost there.
Oh, train tracks.
I can't get any parts for it.
So lately they have built this chicken coop. It's a castle of a chicken coop. I don't see any chickens though. Oh, sorry, there is chickens. Found them. There is different ways to try and keep creatures out of your garden. So yeah, I'm sure you can go to their channel and figure out during the summer if this worked. So this is some of Cindy's pigs, right?
Yeah, they are getting fat.
They're not fat, they're just big bone, right? So now as new looker is already trying to get to stream down here, poor guy.
She wants to do it herself, but she never did it before.
It's really easy.
Yeah, it's just 1 hectare.
This is their party area, and I have had the opportunity to come party here, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so they're kicking us out. They've had enough.
Go.
Bye bye.
Go. So thank you for the visit. And
Thank you for coming.
so we are parked right up here, but we just drove by this, and it looks absolutely fantastic. So I just needed to stop and think about life for a little bit. Wow. Yeah. Okay, now we are at probably the last stop of the day. This is Delia and Steve, right?
That's right, yeah.
I've been practicing. And little noisy ones.
Noisy ones,
Little noisy one. Yeah, I think.
and the noisiest one's Dotty, the little one.
And you bought this property a couple of years ago.
A couple of years ago. Probably nearly 4 now, but we've only lived here a couple of years. We come on holiday
you were here through COVID, right?
No, just after.
Just after. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I have followed your videos and seen you got a lot of stuff done.
Reasonable amount.
Hi. Recording.
Oh gosh.
This is Ellie Rose. Morning.
Rose, yeah.
So Steve is telling me about the rebuild here. He has different old rooms here. So, I hope this camera shows. This is quite the. What are you going to use this for? A workshop or something?
It'd be mainly storage, I would think, when we get sorted.
That's a lot of storage.
It is a lot of storage.
Must be 20 square meters?
Oh yeah. It's been suggested we turn it into another room for the house, but Ellie Rosie's is through that wall, so if she wants to do it at a later date when we're buried and whatever.
So when she's expanding, she can expand in here.
Come this way.
Oh, cool.
And then this room, that's the older Dega. So I've dug the floor out about 1.5 foot, so just watch it up.
Oh, it goes down.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
Then there's a big lump there because
it's very dark in here.
yeah.
Well, yeah, you definitely got some big usable rooms here.
Yeah, this is what I want to use as my workshop.
Okay.
So, and especially with this big stone here, it's in the way, and it always will be. When I concrete it, though, it'll be about just about 6 inches.
20 minutes with an angle grinder a day, and a few years you'll be old.
I've got enough with that. When I concrete, it'll only stick up a little bit, and then I'll build my benches over it.
Okay.
So you'll never, never see it.
So no underfloor heating in here?
No, nothing in here. It'll be
these.
hardcore and then concrete.
We have been visiting quite some projects today.
Yeah, my rubbish junk room at the moment.
Oh, we gotta get it all. Yeah, okay. You need to have some places for the ugly stuff.
Yeah.
That's a big issue, because you want to have all the ugly stuff like the concrete mixer and the wheelbarrow, but finding somewhere to put it out of the way is always an issue.
We're going to have loads of room for that.
Yeah.
We've got a barn there, which I'm going to split in two. This side's got the straw in it, what's left of the straw.
Yeah.
The other side I'm just clearing out so I can get the goats in that side.
Yeah.
And then I'll put a fence down the middle. So, and this lot, well, some of it will be burnt and some of it will be...
And I saw you found this...
the old cart.
It's an cat, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Old wagon.
Yeah, old
horse
wagon.
driven.
Yeah.
So you need to train the goats.
Yeah, that's a good idea. One on either side.
Yeah, yeah. That's a nice find.
Yeah, it needs work on the body a bit when it's not got all the wood piled on it. It's only a
It just needs a fresh layer of paint. Good to go.
Yeah, and a nice sort of bed and sides too. Maybe put the barrels in what I found down there, because there's a couple of barrels around the back there as well.
I've already scored something. A nice piece of wood. Not gonna go home empty-handed.
He's robbed me already.
Yeah, nice stick.
Here's a good one. What's that for?
I have a fence that has rotted away. So we are about to leave, so wave goodbye. So, yeah, I need to remember my piece of wood over here.
Piece of wood.
Yeah. It has been quite the day, scoring one thing after the other. It's now dark. Yeah, I picked up Elaine at 10 o'clock in the, what is that, afternoon? Morning. Yeah. And now it's 10 o'clock almost 10 o'clock at night. So it has been a 12-hour shift visiting YouTubers in Portugal. So look at Elaine and Daryl's little fairy lights here. That is so cute. I need to get myself some of those. Very nice.
All the solar.
So yeah, Elaine is unloading all the loot from the car. Yeah. She got eggs and soap. Have you?
And wine.
And wine. We are quite embarrassed.
A wealth of riches. Yeah.
Hi there, it's the next day. I don't think I got this video finished off just right. So I would like to say thank you to all the YouTubers that we visited yesterday. It was marvelous coming and visit you guys, and it took way longer than expected. I picked up Elaine at 10 o'clock in the morning, and we were done at 10 o'clock at night. So yeah, also I would like to say a special thanks to Steve, who gave me this stick pin board, and it's perfect. My fence here is made out of these things, and this one over here has clearly seen better days and has come off. So yeah, I saw this in his barn, and that was just sitting around, so I got one of them. Thank you, Steve. Other than that, just go check out the other channels down here. Thank you for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.